Hello guys, and welcome back to Travel with Disabilities. You're here with Ryan. And now, as you can see, we're at Farewell 2 in Manchester, and we are off on our hollybobs to make some memories. Now it's a bit manic in there, and everything's changed up a little bit. But I'll do my best to give you the experience I get using the special assistant that I had. So let's get in there and let's see what can be done. Correct, yeah. So I don't need a chair.
You don't need a chair?
Specifically, unless it's long distance walking.
Right, yeah.
For the most part, I'm alright on stairs and everything.
Yeah, yeah. Do you need someone to take you through security and stuff?
It's just finding it now. I don't know. It's just straight down. Isn't it?
Well, it's straight through security, but then obviously you have to go through all the shops and stuff.
Yeah, which is fine.
You'll be alright with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
And I'll just find you guys at flight side.
Yeah. Once you go through, it's near a coffee shop.
Coffee shop and W.H. Smith's and all that jazz.
Speak to them there and then just let everything else out.
Sure it's not.
Alright.
Thank you ever so much.
Alright, thank you.
That is security out of the way, and I absolutely flunked it because I was chatting away with one of the lovely TSA officers and forgot to take all my medical stuff that I needed to take out. So, well done, Ryan, but you know what, who cares? I don't. All great, lovely about it. You approach them on the right manner. No approach you. Swears or not. Happy days. No, it is. So, we walked through the hotel, now airport, and now it's time to eat, and I've gone for a fully loaded burrito, and I'll have you know, it's the first burrito I've ever had, and it's in the middle of an airport that's not packed but busy, so there's no quiet place, so it's plank your seat down, plank your bum down and get stuck in, which I'm going to do now. After a wander around in the airport, the gate numbers come up, so I've headed back down to assisted travel and just waiting for someone to pick us up. Happy days. And if you didn't know what it looks like, here you go. So, there we have it. One little travel day over from Manchester to Zante in Greece. And only a short flight considering. Was it 2.5 hours? But it did throw me out a little bit when it was 2 hours ahead. So, yeah. I enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed the holiday. And I couldn't even come back with a souvenir. But if you want to find out more, firstly, hit the like, subscribe, and there'll be more content coming in about me being a numpty on my holidays. Till next time, guys. Ciao for now.